There it is. Put in. No, one fucking wire hooked up. And that plug. That's it. Nothing on that fucking lug at all. It's pointless. Don't look for it. You won't find it. I did. It makes you mad. But anyway. I'm gonna put the top end back together. So. See you there. Continue. If you're interested where that second bolt is, look that one you barely fucking see down there. See it? Right there? There it is. Good luck. Put your battery cable back on. This key. And if you get a chance, don't get one of these. You're gonna put all that shit back on it.